In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from your Binance account. Whether you're using the web interface or the mobile app, this process is straightforward. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure it's as smooth as possible, helping increase your security or simply updating your details. Let's start by bringing up Binance on your device, whether you're on a computer or your mobile phone. First, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to enter your username and password to gain access. Once you're in, you'll see several options, but for today, we'll focus on managing your security settings. Navigate over to your profile. On the web, you'll typically find this in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. There, select the option that says Security. This is a pivotal section that houses all your safety configurations, allowing you to modify various account settings, including the phone number used for SMS authentication. Now, let's get to the part where you remove your phone number. On the security page, scroll until you find the section labeled Phone Number, or sometimes SMS authentication. This is where your phone number is currently linked for extra security measures like two-factor authentication. You will see an option to remove or unlink your phone number here. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Remove, Binance will prompt you to enter your account password. This step is crucial as it serves as the first layer of confirming your identity and preventing unauthorized changes. So type in your password and proceed to the next step. Next, you'll need to complete two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. This is a fantastic feature that adds another layer of security to your account by combining something you know, like your password, with something you have, like your smartphone. If you have enabled email verification, Binance will send a code to your registered email address. Head over to your email, retrieve that code, and enter it into the prompt on Binance. If you've set up Google Authenticator, simply open the app on your phone, find your Binance code, and enter it as instructed. Once that's done, your phone number will officially be unlinked from your Binance account. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the removal has been successful. This means that your phone will no longer be used for SMS authentication purposes, giving you an opportunity to update your details or choose a different security measure. That wraps up our guide for today. Removing your phone number should now be complete, and you've taken another important step in managing your digital security. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.